Hi everyone, I'm Dmitrii Kovanikov. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cherch, which is my username everywhere around the internet. This is my introduction video and I would like to tell a few words about myself and why you should watch me. First of all, just my introduction. I have more than a decade of experience as a software engineer. Currently I work as a senior software engineer at Bloomberg. I use OCaml programming language. Before that I have been using Haskell for 8 years in different industries including healthcare, education, fintech and blockchain. Currently I'm mostly interested in OCaml, Rust and Kotlin programming languages. As you can imagine, I'm interested in functional programming and I'm actually active in functional communities, and in my channel I want to help you to learn functional programming. It was really difficult for me when I started, but looks like it's going mainstream and I don't want you to miss the opportunity to learn it. But at the end of the day, you have the power to decide what's going to be on my channel. Please share your feedback, I really appreciate it, and let me know what you would like to see from me. Thank you for watching me.